Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I got sent this in the mail, and it's not something I normally review. I don't know why, but um, I want to do a review of it anyway because I sent it, or just kind of check it out. I don't know if it's a cheapie. I don't know if it's any good. I don't know exactly anything about it or who makes it. If you can pronounce that, that's the name of the company, Shenzhen ZT Digital Company Ltd. But I know they sell them on Amazon. I mean, it looks like a good deal. We'll see. Uh, has their company name and address, email, all that info on the box. Night Vision Goggles, model number Z095. So we'll have to see what they are. 4K, night vision. Looks like you can probably record it, take pictures, and just view it. But let's take it out of the box, I guess, and see what we have here. As I said, it's kind of not something I normally do. I've done some cameras and different things and stuff that I use on the bike, but not something like this. But we'll see. It might be something cool. So we figure out how to open it up here. I think we just raise this up. Let it vacuum slide out the bottom. I mean, the box looks good, for sure. No doubt about that. It says see in total darkness. Definitely got a nice looking case. It's one of those kind of foam, hard case, foam cases. Let me back this camera up a little bit here. So looks like it has a carrying strap if you want a shoulder strap that you can put on it, or it's got the handle built in. That's nice. Got two zippers set up here. And there they are. I don't know what all this is. We'll have to check all this out. But here they are. Oh, okay, so the strap, it goes on here to carry around your neck. I was thinking for the case, but it actually, the strap would go on here, which is a good idea. You can carry it around your neck. Take it out and check them out. So instead of looking through, like, this is the output, and this is the screen you look at. So instead of putting your eyes up to something like this, like normal binoculars, you just look at the screen, and this is the out part right here. Then we have a power button, where it looks like a brightness button, some different buttons on here. I don't know what all of it does yet. There's probably a focus maybe, and that probably focuses to far and near. It says, oh, I just hit that and there's a light, so it's evidently a strobe light. Oh, this one does strobe, this one does on. Power it on, see what it does. Oop, it's like, whoa. Now that's not right. Oh, okay. It just had a picture of deer on it. Is there a lens cap on there? No. Oh, okay. I'm too close. I'm too close. We're going to take it outside. Because it's just seeing this, but you see my fingers. It's not like binoculars. You don't look at something that close. But it does have the screen here and tells us some stuff on it. So if we're going to be recording, it's like it has the time. Has a battery indicator on the bottom right. So if we push this one here, this is the menu. And when we hit the menu, we can probably go up and down here through the menu. So we can go to screen brightness, screensaver, auto power off, language, format, SD card, 32 gigs. So there is an SD card in it, which is cool. Let's go up here. Let's hit the OK. Let's go down. Format. The SD card. Date and time. Set. Software version. Photo size 10 megapixel. I guess that's megapixel. 10M. 20M. 40. Let's go. Let's put this dude on high if we're going to do it. Video size 4K UHD, which is the highest. We also have the choice of 1080p, 1080f HD, or 1080p, or 720p. Loop recording off, so if you wanted to just keep loop recording after a certain length of video. Video rate normal, timestamp, all different kinds of good stuff. So let's take it outside and just see what it looks like in the daytime And then I'll have to wait till dark in order to see what it does in the dark. But first, let's see what's in here. Should always read the manual first, but you know men don't do that. Use your manual. Learn some stuff about it. I don't know what this is. Yeah, so we got that's cool because it is USB-C to USB charging cable. Then we got a lens cleaning cloth. So that's cool. At least they're not totally outdated. Okay, so in here, we have a USB charging port. And we have a micro SD. 32 gig. But pretty cool. It comes with one. I love it when people put SD cards in it. Don't just send it without one. Send it with an SD card. They're not that expensive anymore. So throw one in if you have a product. Okay, so as far as specs, it does tell us our photo resolution, which 40M. I'm sure that's megapixel, 30, all the way down to 3 megapixel. Video resolution 4K UHD, 1080 FHD, 1080p, 720p. The display on there, which is this screen right here, is a 3-inch HD TFT adjustable 8 levels of screen brightness. And then the lens is a f1.2 large aperture infrared LED. So basically this is not going to be a FLIR camera or nothing like that that shows heat signatures. It's actually just infrared LEDs, I think, on a set of binoculars where you can see in the dark. Infrared light, 3 watt, 8 power digital zoom. Memory card up to 32 gigs. So that's the biggest one that'll fit in it, is what is in it. 32 gigs. It's kind of a shame. Be nice if it held bigger, but maybe 32 is enough. Charging port, Type C. The power supply, so the battery that's in it is a 5,000 milliamp hour. And this thing is waterproof. IP65 waterproof. And there's the dimensions right there. Okay, so I'm out here. It's daylight. I can focus in here. I don't really have a big view. All I have is this hillside right here for now. A long way to view here. But we're going to just try to focus in on the ground. It looks pretty good. I mean, it's supposed to be 4K. We'll take a picture. Hit OK. That should take a picture. Yep, there it went. And to brighten the screen, you just go like this. This dims it. Hit the plus button over here. And this brightens it up. And to adjust it right here, we can get it to where we want it. Like right there. It says near and far, so basically all it does is going to focus in on the long distance or a close-up distance. Okay, so if we hit the power button, we can go from view our pictures, which is what I'm on now, and then I'm sure we just hit the plus and the minus. Yeah, it scrolls. Hopefully you can see that. Scrolls through our pictures. If we hit it again, we go to camera where we can take a picture. We hit it again, we go to video mode to do our recording. So let's hit OK. Now we should be recording. Yeah, I see the recording in the top right corner. Hopefully you can see that. Without the glare, it's a real sunny day. I'm adjusting the focus. I'll take this video off here and see if I can put it on here. But it's going to be shaky. There's no image stabilization, of course. Let's see if we can see further. I don't know where. It's quite a little ways over there. In my son's yard. Trying to get the focus right. It's kind of hard to get the focus right. There, and it's shaky because there's no image stabilization. So if we turn over here, of course, we're not going to be focused. I'll turn it a little bit, get us focused back in better. See how close up we can focus. We can focus on that, which is pretty close. Let's see the ground right down here. See if I can focus on something that close. Yeah, that's just pretty much right down there at my feet. That's the tongue of my trailer. And it focuses on that, so let's see if we go all the way. Will it focus on my hand? Yeah, pretty much. So I had it inside, I would just let it focus. Right, there we go. So, not too bad. There's no animals, of course, out here where my son lives.